Samsung is anticipated to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim later this year, though the final name is still unconfirmed. According to rumors and leaks, the device is expected to showcase a slimmer and lighter design. A recent report from Korean media suggests that titanium might be instrumental in achieving this. Samsung is reportedly exploring the use of titanium for the phone's backplate, which serves as the support structure between the foldable panel and hinge in foldable smartphones. In current Galaxy Z Fold models, this component is made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP. Samsung is reportedly working on a thinner version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 named the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. The South Korean company aims to reduce the thickness of its foldable phones to better compete with its Chinese rivals. However, recent reports suggest that Samsung may not achieve this goal this year. According to a new report from Thelic, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim may be around 11mm thick. Samsung has allegedly removed the S Pen digitizer, which is present in the Galaxy Z Fold 6, from the slim version. The digitizer is 0.6mm thick, 0.3mm on each side of the screen, indicating that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim could be around 11.5mm thick. The company is still exploring ways to further reduce the thickness. In comparison, Chinese foldable phones are typically 9–10mm thick, depending on the model. Samsung aims for its future foldable phones to be as thin as conventional smartphones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. To achieve this, improvements may be needed in components such as the hinge and battery. Unlike their Chinese counterparts, Samsung's foldable phones boast an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance, a feature the company doesn't want to compromise just to match the thinness of Chinese devices. Therefore, Samsung must find a way to reduce thickness without sacrificing durability. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is expected to feature larger screens than the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6, with a 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8-inch foldable screen. Samsung reportedly plans to produce 500,000 to 600,000 units of this slimmer foldable device, which may be launched exclusively in China and South Korea, where demand for foldable phones is higher. Samsung does not expect the sales of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 to surpass those of their predecessors. Additionally, the sales share of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is projected to decline from 70% to 60%, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6's sales share is expected to increase from 30% to 40%. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.